In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace and then needed to reference something you archived, this walkthrough will help you bring those tasks back into view quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. I'll use Google for this demonstration because it's the most common starting point. In the search box, type ClickUp and press Enter. In the results, choose the official ClickUp site to open the app. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform and not a third-party page. Once ClickUp loads and you're in your workspace, look toward the top of the interface for the search bar. Click it to open the global search panel. This search pulls information across your entire workspace, which makes it the right place to surface anything that's been archived. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. If not, sign in as you normally do. Inside the search panel, locate the filter icon. It typically looks like a small funnel and sits near the search field. Click that icon to open your filtering options. Filters help you fine-tune what the search returns, so you don't have to sift through unrelated results. In the filter options, find the archive toggle and turn it on. The instant this toggle is enabled, ClickUp includes archived items in your search results. You'll now be able to see archived tasks alongside active ones, usually with a clear indicator that they're archived. This is especially helpful when you want to review historical work, reuse details, or confirm what was completed and when. If you're looking for something specific, you can narrow things down by typing task names or keywords into the search field before or after you enable the toggle. Keep in mind that your permissions determine what you can see. Tasks archived in spaces you don't have access to won't appear in your results. Also, archived tasks are generally read-only and won't trigger notifications or automations until they're restored, which helps keep your current workflows tidy. When you're finished reviewing, you can return to your normal view at any time by closing the search panel or by turning the archived toggle off to hide archived items again. That's it. You opened ClickUp, used the search bar, applied the filter, and switched on the archived toggle to reveal archived tasks. Follow these steps anytime you need to reference older work without cluttering your active lists.